We all think that in order to succeed or to make our life better, we need to have some major changes in our life. But what if I tell you that there is no need for any drastic changes in your life? What you actually need is small, miniature, daily improvements in your daily habits. This is exactly what I got out of this book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Hi, I am Dr. Manu. I review books and give you book recommendations on my channel, Borrowed Pages. Please do like and subscribe. Today I'm going to talk about Atomic Habits and what lessons did I get out of it. Now, we always think that we need to make some big decisions, some big changes, then only our life will get better. But James Clear makes it clear that we do not need drastic steps. We do not need to set up big goals in which have to be achieved in a particular amount of time. We do not need to do that. What we need is daily improvements. Even 1% daily improvement in our habits will lead to remarkable changes in our life. This is exactly what he says. According to him, we need to develop habits. Habits can be developed only if the environment is optimal for that habit to get developed. For example, if I want to read, I should not say I want to read a book. What I should say is I am a reader. And then in my environment, I should have books available which I can just pick up and read. Also, a habit can only be formed if it is done in small steps. It is not necessary to make a goal and achieve it quickly. What we need to do is be consistent, small steps. So we can start with 5 to 10 pages. We can make a habit interesting. For example, I am reading, but I just don't like to read like this. Maybe I need a cup of tea and a good ambience to sit and peacefully read. So I can create that. Make the habit interesting, make it enjoyable, make it satisfying. Only then these small habits will get incorporated into your life, and ultimately they will add on to make your life much better. So this is exactly what I got out of this book. Also, another thing which he says is that never miss a habit twice. If you are doing something, for example, you are reading 10 to 12 pages per day, for one day, for some reason you cannot read, but don't do it again. You have to get back to the habit after one day. You can just do it, just leave it once, not twice. Same goes for gym. If you are going to the gym, miss it one day, but not 2 days in a row. So this is exactly what I got out of it. Now I want to know if you have read the book. If you have read it, what did you get out of this book? If you have not read it, I highly recommend it. Everyone should read it, and it is so easy to incorporate these small habits into your life and make it better. Also, if you like my review, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to review another book for you, do mention it in the comments. Thank you and keep reading.